Let's talk about the Bristol, PA chemical spill potentially affecting this much of Philadelphia. In comparison, this is the population density of Philly. Philadelphia is the home of 1.6 million people. It's the US's 6th largest city. You can see how this map, compared to this map, to understand just how many people potentially could be affected by this. This chemical spill, currently estimated at over 8,000 gallons, started up here in Bristol, PA. At a polymer manufacturing plant owned by this company, Trinseo plc. They formerly were a subsidiary of Dow Chemical, but now they're a publicly traded company, stock symbol TSE. There's not a lot of information available right now, but what is available is telling. If you saw my videos about this disaster, you'll remember that one of the things I pointed out early on is that the entire narrative is controlled by the company that's responsible for the disaster in the first place. In this case, it's been this guy, the VP of Manufacturing and Operations at Trinseo. Here.
It's like the material that you find in paint. It's your typical acrylic paint in your house that you have. That's what really this material is in a water base.
Okay, so they spilled some paint into a tributary that goes into the Delaware. It's currently Sunday at 4 p.m. The spill happened Friday evening, and that interview was from yesterday around 6 p.m. This is what the Philadelphia Water Department said today, just a few hours ago.
We're looking at butyl acrylate is a chemical, and that is a chemical which was identified in the East Palestine spill in Ohio. Also, ethyl acrylate is another chemical, and MMA, and I'm not exactly clear what MMA stands for.
MMA is methyl methacrylate. It's a VOC, or volatile organic compound. I know this is a lot, but I want to show you what some of the press is saying. This article calls it a water-soluble acrylic polymer solution, and this one, a latex product that spilled. Going back to what Mike Carroll from the Water Department was saying, they're looking for 3 compounds, butyl acrylate, ethyl acrylate, and methyl methacrylate. All of these are volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. They're all flammable and they're all toxic. 8,000 gallons does sound like a lot, but to put that in comparison, in East Palestine, one of those train cars carried 30,000 gallons. And there were over a dozen cars that leaked there. But the question is it actually 8,000 gallons? If it's only 8,000 gallons and it's a product that just contains these 3 compounds, the actual amount of these toxic contaminants might be pretty low. The Delaware River is a very big river with a lot of volume of water to dilute these pollutants. Additionally, Philadelphia, the city, and the water department filter and treat this water before it gets to residents. But do you trust them?